Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can write about your activity on Strava. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to Strava, and after that click on the plus icon, and here you have the manual activity. Click on that, and here you can write the title of your activity. For me it's running. How did go? Share more about your activities. So you can type here you can choose the exact sport, you can add photos, and you can give activity stats like the date, the exact hour, uh, here as well, and the kilometers. So here are several stats, and after that some details like the type of run or other activities. Here you have several options like long run, workout, race, commute. How did the activity feel? So here you have uh, a scale like easy, moderate, or max effort, or between. And you can set the visibility, like who can see, only you or everyone or the followers, and high stats, pace, calories. So you can hide these stats as well. And this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a very beautiful day. Bye bye.